Kaende, kaende, kabati, kabati. Kaende, kaende, Mr. Speaker, is Sheng. It's Nairobi slang for I don't care. Whatever will be, I'll do what I do. In Swahili, they say, na liwe liwalo. That is the meaning of kaende, kaende. And we'll be showing you how, throughout the last 1 year, even after the graceful lessons from Senator Tobiko, I recall, from the other senators, the governor's mantra in persisting on this a series of misconduct is, I don't care, whatever will be, will be. Kiusera, kiusera, whatever will be. She doesn't care about the consequences, the future, and whatnot. That is how, Mr. Speaker, we have come before you with a motion arranged under 7 thematic counts, setting out 39 specific forms of gross violations of the law and the Constitution, and which, in our humble submission, are conduct and becoming of any leader. Mr. Speaker, we expect, and it will happen, although I'm not a prophet, just like last time, the governor will appear on this podium taking the posture of an innocent and vulnerable victim of toxic masculinity, harmful patriarchy, gender stereotyping, political schemes. That's what our response tells you. It is back to, it wasn't me, by Shaggy. And the governor, if you want to confirm it, at page 2 of our response, she tells you, this motion will not be here. It is a scheme by our deputy who is power hungry to take the governorship through the back door. She tells you it is the during Cheka. She tells you if our own officials, our own secretary, our own chief of staff has done anything wrong, even the things she acknowledged, she said they bear their own responsibility. It wasn't me. In short, she will come to you looking as meek as a lamb. But luckily we have lived through the experience, Mr. Speaker. Our message to the Senate is if you acquit her this time, she will walk out this door and it will be kaende, kaende, kiusera, kiusera. Whatever will be, I don't care, na liwe liwalo, and Meru will be back to the perpetual, endless crisis that it has been engulfed for a year. We will be showing you that the governor has made several admissions before the county assembly. What we find strange is that now in our response to you, she produces documents she failed to produce before the assembly. We will be able to show you beyond any shadow of doubt that those documents are forgeries. And in conclusion, so that my learned colleague will take the remaining bit, just like last time, Chair, we are telling you not to fall for the ruse. If you see a humble, meek, polite-looking governor, it is because the occasion of the day requires that to look meek, humble, vulnerable, and whatnot. But if you make the mistake this time round, it will be, Q, Sarah, Sarah, whatever will be, I don't care, kaende, kaende, that is what she will do. And for those reasons, for purposes of my part, Chair, we are asking you to borrow from Nicholas I of Russia in 1825, 1826, to prove that the Senate of the Republic of Kenya can actually do things properly by impeaching a rogue governor. I led the floor to my learned colleague, Mr. Mari Maranya.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Honorable members of the Senate. My name is Marius Maranya. And Honorable Speaker, for the interest of time, allow me to jump right into it. I will start by setting out the mandate of the Senate, as has been clearly set out previously by Apex Court, the Court of Appeal in the case of Wambora's case, as well as the Supreme Court in the Sonko's case, did set the mandate of this House as clear as their role is to investigate and confirm that there exists sufficient